Okay, tell us a little bit about your form here before you swing. What? The camera's upside down. Hold on. Okay, now?
I gotta go.
Huh?
Nah.
Why? Where? Okay, I'll go right here.
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna hit you.
See what it said? Did you hear that, guys? She just said she's gonna hit me. The truth comes out. See what? What? It's a little light. Do you mind telling the audience what you just whispered in my ear? Do you mind telling the audience what you just told me? That's called bribing. That's called bribing, and it's actually not accepted by the National Bowling League, the NBL. It's a violation, and they're going to strip you of your shoes, actually. Oh, and in case anyone is wondering, Sydney wears no-nonsense socks, and I wear Fruit of the Loom. See? Thank you. Okay, check that out. Alright, stop filming. Stop. Cut that up. This is it.
I'm gonna need you to go.
Alright. This is for him. John 3:16. That's what it's all about. May glory go to him who playeth the greatest game. Genesis chapter 4, verse 37. Oh no. But guess what? Guess what? You could. This is intense. Oh my god. It all comes down to this. Hey, you want me a soda? Go over there. You Jinx, you go owe me a Coke.
Go.
Go get me a Coke.
You gotta go.
Guys, I'm gonna get her a Budweiser if she's gonna get drunk and she's gonna lose.
Babe, we don't have that.
This is what all those years in the bowling academy went towards, is winning this game right now. I want for all the children out there watching in your parents' house, I want you to know, as long as you believe in yourself, you can do anything.
Okay.
And I also want to say I support Ukraine in their deadly battle against the Russians. I stand strong with Ukraine.
Babe, go.
Now watch my form here. Okay, so you gotta get it right up the middle. Alright. Babe, will you bless my ball? Good luck.
You're not even beating me.
Not too good. All right. She's got to get at least 5 to win. She's got to get at least 5 to win. Can she do it?
Let's go! I win.